Guys, I'm continuing my series, the ultimatemedium.com course part 4, and today we are going to talk about which social media websites you should focus on sharing your medium.com stories. So obviously, my friends, this is a very important question. Personally, my friends, I used to share my stories, medium articles to social media platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and these three were very important for me. And also, my friends, I used to share on Substack, via via Reddit. But these days, my friends, I'm only focusing mostly on Reddit. Reddit is my primary focus. Look at it, my friends. My latest story, which I posted today, gotten me 670 views from Reddit. I also shared on Facebook group Quora Space, and I'm planning to make a LinkedIn group as well in the future, my friends, in the very future, very soon, my friends. However, Reddit might not work for you, my friends. It's not that simple. So my advice to you is to include the same tags as that you have chosen for your medium story, as hashtags, 5 hashtags, and share them on Twitter. Tweet it, and also use those same hashtags on and share that story on LinkedIn, on your LinkedIn profile. Then what you do, my friends, is share on some subreddits that are medium related subreddits. I link to the article that I wrote about it in the description box, and you can also create a board, a special board, and pin your medium stories on Pinterest in under that board. So these are 4 websites that I suggested, my friends. Other than that, my friends, just use whatever platform you are using to share your medium stories. You should understand the power of external traffic. External traffic will force the medium algorithm to get your article into curation. That is very important. This step is very important, my friends. So I hope you liked and enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for part 5 coming right up. Thanks for watching, my friends.